Well, today I have something really special. I review this Ikea BESTA stands after 10 years of use. You may not believe it, but I bought this BESTA TV stands and this BESTA on the wall in 2016. Now they have 10 years. I will review it in this video so you can decide if you want to buy this BESTA stand. So this BESTA stands come in 3 pieces. When I assemble it, they were all put together and now they form one TV stand. Also, this piece here came in 3 pieces and I put them together and now they form one unit. You can see how they are holding well after 10 years of use. I mean, intensely use. My kids are putting some toys in it and they're slapping this door without mercy, like this. You know, they even use their feet to close doors. So the Besta withstand it very, very good. You can see these edges. These edges are literally the same like before 10 years. There is nothing scratched or nothing chipped on them. Only you can see when you come really, really close, this is more than a, I don't know, dirt than a chip or something like that. This Besta withstand the test of time pretty good. I mean, everything that I bought from IKEA till today, it didn't broken. In my house, I have these 2 chairs from IKEA. I have this Alefial chair. I have this beautiful plastic shoe compartments. I have this wardrobe. I have this for my kids' toys. I have this bed from IKEA. I have this gaming chair. Also these boxes for toys. Another extra Besta. Another storage for toys. These 2 cabinets also from IKEA. More cabinets from IKEA. I mean, whole bunch of things from IKEA and anything didn't broken. That is what I call quality. I think this Besta from IKEA matches really nice with my kitchen. My kitchen is in a similar tone, so it matches very nice with that Besta. When opening these Besta cabinets, they are pretty like new. Everything is on its place, everything is sturdy, nothing is wobbly. The quality is exceptional. I simply can't believe that some simple, cheap product like this can last for a decade without any problem. I mean, decade. I was in France, in Dubai, in Japan, in Italy, Thailand, Egypt, England, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Turkey, Dominicana, Greece, Nepal. I mean, 10 years. Can you believe it? This quality is exceptional. This Besta was so cheap then, and today it is cheap also. I think that is the one of the best products that I ever bought. They are super sturdy, super practical. When you buy it, they are easy to assemble and they last forever. So go for it, buy this Besta from IKEA. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel Tiger's Heart and see you in my next video. Bye bye.